How to fix Safari could not install a profile due to an unknown error on iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all you have to do is open the settings app on your device. Once inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Then tap on the software update and update your phone to the latest version because some older iOS version may block new profiles. So if there is an update available, install it as soon as possible. Now go back to the settings again and this time scroll down till the bottom and there you'll get to see apps option available. Tap on it. Then look for the Safari and tap on it. Now once inside Safari, scroll down again and there you'll get to see clear history option available. And again you'll have to tap on it. Then again tap on the clear history in the red box for the confirmation. Now once done so, go back to the settings again and scroll and tap on the general option available in there. Now tap on the transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.